So hello, I'm Corey. In this video I'll introduce to you the concept of georeferencing a map, and then after there we will see how you can digitize the georeferenced image, and I'll also show you how to plot structural data that you've been collecting during the mapping. So to georeference, what you do, you have to know where your scanned image is. In our case it is in the desktop in a folder called students. Therefore I'll navigate to where the image is, and here you see we don't see any image here, so I'll choose the file of type. I say raster image, and here is our map. It's called the trimmed map. I'll open it. You see the table already overwrite. I'll say yes because we had already georeferenced it. So it gives you two options. One, you just want maybe to view it and then you close, or you want to register. So I'll choose register. You see, after that, what I'll do is choose the projection that I want to use to georeference the image. I'll go to projection, and for our case I will use Arc 1960, and the zone is 37 South Hemisphere, and then I'll click OK. Then you choose the first point that you want to start with, and I prefer georeferencing going to the right. That means going clockwise. So I'll add the first point. You can zoom out to see your coordinates clearly, but zooming in is better because it gives you it makes you more accurate when you're putting your point. Therefore I'll put a point here, say add. That is the first point, which is this one. See, and I'll put the coordinates as they look here. So in X I'll put 251 and 500, and in Y I'll put 90, 35, 400, and click OK. That will be the first point. But you can zoom and try to see if you have placed the point proper. I'll just leave with that. I think we can survive with that, and then you'll go to the second point. The second point, which is this one. Let me zoom a little bit. You see, so you go 252, 300, and here you have I'll add a second point, which is on X. I'll put 252, 300, and on the Y I'll put 90, 35, 400, and then I'll click OK. Second point added. I'll go to the third point. The third point, you just select where you want to put the third point. So the third point is this one, and let's see what the nothing reads is 9035. Then I'll say add. I'll add another point here, and then on X I'll put 252, 300, because it is the same point on top, and the nothing has changed. There is 90, 35, 000. Click OK. Then go to the last point. You can add as many points as you want, but I always add 4 points. So let me see what it reads here. It reads that one, and I'll add another point here. Add a point. So what is northing? What is easting? It will be 251 because it is the first point, yeah? And then I will add another point, which is it's 90 35 000. Click OK. Then I'll click OK and see what it does. Click OK. If your georeferencing is good, the error in pixel should be reading 0, but I think we can survive with this one. And then you click OK. There you go, your image has been georeferenced. Just let me see the cursor location and see if what it will read is exactly what we see. For example, let me zoom here and see if the reading is. So at this point it should be reading 903500. You see 903500 and the 251 almost 251 almost 500. See, so our georeferencing is good. So if you like this video, just put a comment and like and share.